Hi, I'm Grant Johnston. I'm with Airstreams Renewables. I'm the Vice President of Business Development. Come to Airstreams, we can definitely get your career started in the right direction.
Before this, I was an 0311 rifleman in the United States Marine Corps.
Well, some of the aspects that are my favorite is
The climbing,
the people.
utilizing all the safety equipment, and just going through the steps.
It's fun. It's fun. They have very practical applications to everything, and the electrical portion.
The culture here is still like how it was in the military, which a lot of us thoroughly enjoy. But other than that, it's also part of the education, getting to know more about this new field of us.
I get to work with individuals that will break it down for me, Barney style, as they say it in the military, just so I can understand the electricity portion, because it is kind of scary.
So far, the instructors have been great. They've been very informative. They answer every question that we have. They've walked us along the way with anything that we don't know. They'll go over it, and just one-on-one time is absolutely incredible here.